Arts, basahin ako. Okay, go!
Oh, yeah. First basket mula sa Nicanor Ibuna. There we go. Muli, isang mapagpalang hapon po sa inyo lahat at tayo nagbabalik sa ating live. This is the elementary division ng ating Inter-School Basketball League dito po sa ating dakilang lungsod ng San Juan. Magandang hapon po. This is the battle between the Nicanor Ibuna versus the Kabayanan Integrated School. Second shot, no good. There's a foul.
Rebound! Sa kape, no?
Violation. Alright, bola dito ng Kabayanan. Pedragosa, pass to number 28. Out of bounds. Steal ng Kabayanan. Number 29. No good. And out of bounds. There's a foul and one. Foul number 6. Basket count para kay De La Torre. Jersey number 29. One shot para kay De La Torre. Kuha, good! Ay! Ayan, ay! Basket! Nakaplay para kay De La Torre. What a presence of mind para sa Kabayanan Integrated School. Oopsie! Out of bounds.
Bola! Arby! Bola! Starting!
Number 31, pass to number 21. Number 3. Pass number 71. Basket count na naman. But this time, Pedragosa. Jaden. Bonus shot para kay Jaden Pedragosa. Ayan na, second shot, no good. Rebound ng Nicanor. Out of bounds.
Harapan mo, katabalikod. Atin.
Oopsie, steal ng Kabayanan. Steal by number 15. Ay, short! Rebound ng number 31. Pass to Jaden. Pedragosa. Steal by number 8. Pinasa sa corner. Number 35. Pass number 8. Jam shot. Short. Out of bounds. Bola rito ng Kabayanan. Oh, steal. Number 15. Siniguraoy. Wala pa rin. And he get the foot back. 6-4. Ayun na si Jaden with the triple team. Pinasa at nakatawid. Kulang ang kabila. Libre si number 31. No good. Ayun na with the cover. Oy, wala pa rin. That's a traveling violation. Substitution. Mandatory substitution tayo. Change 5. Time remaining 5 minutes and 19 seconds.
Yellow ball, yellow, yellow.
Bola rito ng Kabayanan. Oy, wala. Another offensive rebound para sa Kabayanan. Tumira, wala. Number 14, no good. Rebound. Pass to number 15, stop and pump, short. Makakuha ng Kabayanan ng integrated pero passing the wrong man. Wala pa rin ang tira doon ng Kabayanan. Oy, another steal. Out of bounds. Nicanor Ibuna, basketball. Pinasa sa corner. Jump shot. Wala. Rebound. Makakuha ng Kabayanan. Ayun na. Looking for his teammate. Pass to number 82. Stop and pump. Was sir. Yes sir. By jersey number 15. Ayan na. Oopsie. Another step in on the line. Time out. Kabayanan Integrated School. Tingnan natin ang huddle ni Coach of Kabayanan. Time remaining 4 minutes and 3 seconds. Kuya, nakano kayo? Online ka? Kung naka-online. Net, pre, may ano ka? Facebook? Naka-online ka? Naka-online? Pwede matingin lang ako? Pwede tingin lang ako? Kung naka-online ka. Sorry. Ayan, sa Nuan City Development Office. Yung dito lang, bro. Wait lang. Sorry, di pala tayo na. Okay. Good. Pwede ba share mo para man yan? Para makita ko rin. Oo, para makita rin natin.
3 seconds! 3 seconds!
Nakalag pa ako. Thank you.
Wala! Hoy! May bus! Wala!
Pasensya na po at nag-detect na lang po. Pero, yun. Official score is 10-4. Umatake ulit ang Kabayanan. 12-4 na po tayo. 12 10 for kanina po. Another steal para sa Kabayanan. Number 2, all the way. Yes, sir. Lumalaki na po ang kalamangan ng Kabayanan. Timeout ni Canor Ibuna. And the official scores 14-4. Tingnan natin ang huddle ng Nicanor Ibuna. Time remaining 2 minutes and 55 seconds sa ating first quarter. Okay, back to the ball game tayo. Tingnan natin kung makakahabol dito ang Nicanor Ibuna. Pinalit. Tumira, wala. Number 29. Oops, steal. Number 15. And there's a foul. Foul number 33. 30 rather. Shooting on the line, jersey number 15. Good. Another steal para sa... Oy! Backcourt violation.
Uy, tiga tao! Bilisan mo dyan, uy! Tao! Tiga!
Bola rito ng... Ayun na, nagagawa ang steal. Number 2. All the way, no good. Rebound ng Nicanor. Number 10. Nasa corner. Pass to number 11. Get the shot, no good. And out of bounds.
Hey, patay! Tao!
Bola ng Nicanor. Pass number 18. Number 18, get the shot, short. 24-second shot clock violation. Bola rito ng Kabayanan Integrated School.
Baba! Starter!
Number 2. Running shot. Oy, wala. Rebound. Makakuha number 13. Yes! Para sa Taros. Dos lang po yan. By number 30. Oy! Another steal. And get the shot. Wala. Rebound ng Nicanor. Number 30. Nagmamadali. Binigay. Sa gitna. Jump shot. No good. Rebound by number 30. But there is a foul. Foul number 17. That is first personal foul. Third team foul. 2 shots para kay jersey number 30 of Nicanor Ibuna. First shot, no good. That is Simeon. Or Simon. Second shot, wala. Rebound. Same ball tayo. Last 37 seconds. Bola ng Nicanor. Simon. Calpe, jump shot, short. Rebound number 11. What a save with the wrong man nga lang. Last 19 seconds. Back to number 15. Umatake. Wala. And out of bounds. Last 11 seconds. Nasa corner. Just take a shot. No good. Number 30. There's a foul. Umabot po ang foul. 2 shots para jersey number 30. That is Simon. Rep. Second shot para kay Simon. Or Simon. Okay. Back to the ball game. Second quarter tayo. Official score 16-4. Bola rito ng Kabayanan. Number 28, pass to number 18. Take a shot, wala. Binomba, wala pa rin. Number 15, basket by number 29. Doon pala napindot, sorry. Take a shot, no good. Out of bounds.
Hey, Roy! Ano? Yan! Hoy, double!
Oopsie. 24-second shot clock violation.
Hey!
Bola ng Kabayanan. Number 10. Steal. Oy. Number 23. Block. Bounce pass. Gets the layup. Wala. And number 29 for the putback. Dominate na ng Kabayanan ang laro. Number 15.
Double!
Looking for his teammate. Pass to number 5.
Abol! Oh, Bayanan!
Oopsie. Passing the wrong man. Out of bounds.
Diskarte! Entro yung bola! Roll! Bola!
Number 29 and 1 by De La Torre. Two shots para kay De La Torre. Basket is good. Wait lang po, labas lang natin. Wala pa po. Okay, good. Number 5. Oh, wala. Number 19, too strong. Out of bounds. Wala. Rebound by De La Torre. Pass number 28, naipit. Tumira, basket yan para sa Kabayanan. Number 5, 4-3, no good. Rebound by number 24, Binangga. Oh, there's a foul. Number 19. Shooting on the line ng jersey number 24. Sensya na, hindi ko mabasa ang iyong apelido. Oh, good. Second shot is good. 25-5 po ang ating score. Oh, steal by number 15. Oh, steal by De La Torre. Pass to number 12, parada, and there's a foul. Shooting on the line, jersey number 12, parada. No good. Coach, second 5 ba, coach? Up! Papa, coach. Second 5 ba? Kailangan na 5 minutes. No good. Bounce. Top. Up.
Coach, pwede na mag-sub ha? Pwede na. Pwede na. Pasok. Ano ba yung number nyo?
Time remaining 5 minutes and 46 seconds. Hi.
Kaya lang.
Official score po natin 27-5. Wala na ang Kabayanan. Out of bounds. Number 24. Take a shot, no good. Uy.
Pwede na mag-sub. Pwede na. Third quarter? Oo. Pwede na mag-normal sub.
Sa first quarter lang ang ano. Uy. Sa first quarter lang mandatory.
Basta after 15 minutes pwede. Ito ba yung TJ? Wala. Nasa TJ wala. Ha?
Basket is good. 15. Pass through. Jaden. Make a shot. Basket. There's a foul. Bola rito ng Nicanor. Number 15, 4-3. No good. Rebound ng Kabayanan. Jaden, nagmamadali. Umatake. No good. Rebound by number 2. Gets the layup. Get the shot. Basket yan. Para sa Kabayanan. Number 15, nagmamadali. Oy, libre. No good. Offensive rebound, number 15 for the putback. 31-8. Jaden. Oopsie. Walang tawag. And a step in on the line by Jaden. Ano daw po? Time out. Kabayanan Integrated School. Natin. Lester. Ano ba? Tama, kainigan. Okay, back to the ball game. Official score 31-8 in favor of Kabayanan Integrated School. Number 15. Uy! Offensive foul. Kitang-kita ng ating referee yun. Bawal manhiko, bossing. Running time po tayo. Let's go! Walang tawag. Ate referee. Steal by Jaden. Pedragosa. No good. Rebound by number 15. Number 15. Outlet pass. Out of bounds. Oopsie, sorry. 40 seconds. Uy, natapikan daw. Number 2, binigay. Wala. Number 2 again, wala pa rin. Number 14, wala pa rin. Last 30 seconds. Ayun na ang Nicanor. 3 against 2. Pass number 30. Uy! But there's a foul. Shooting on the line by jersey number 15, Infante. Time remaining, last 22 seconds. First shot, no good. Yeah then. Second shot is good. Last 22 seconds. Oy, still again. Number 11. Bang! That is Luciano ba? Pasensya na po, di ko mabasa ang apelido. Ayun na. 4, 3, get the shot. Oy, wala. At dito na po nagtatapos ang ating first half. Official score, 31-11. Lamang pa rin ang Integrated School Kabayanan kontra San Nicanor Ibuna. Okay, magbabalik tayo para sa ating third quarter. At the half, 31-11, 20-point lead para sa Kabayanan Integrated School. Okay,
Florida.
back to the ball game. Okay, back to the ball game. Third quarter, let's go. Number 30, steal. Ayan na, another steal by number 15. Number 15, sumalaksak. Can he get the shot? Pumahabol ang Nicanor. Ayan na, but there's a foul. Number 30. Oy! Ayan na. Uy, walang tawag ang ating referee. Still by De La Torre. De La Torre all the way. Yes, sir. 33-13. Double dribble.
Hindi galing.
Wala. Pasok lang, pasok. Tawagin nyo, pre. Idol. De La Torre, nice cut there, pero nandun, naka-recover ang Nicanor. But there's a 3 seconds violation. Bola ng Nicanor. Ayan na. Uy. Pass to number 8. Number 8, binigay sa loob. Number 29, basket. 33-15. Sub. Okay, tawagin nyo na lang pare. Tawagin nyo. Tawagin, pasok lang. Tawagin mo lang. Oy! Ayan na. Jump shot, no good. Rebound. Number 15, take a shot. Yes, sir. 3 points. Para kay jersey number 15. Ayan na, De La Torre. Umatake, but there's a foul. Number 29. Shooting the line, jersey number 29, De La Torre. No good. Second shot, no good. Rebound. Makakuha ng Kabayanan. Uy, steal. Outlet pass. Oh, number 15. Oy, wala. Rebound ng Kabayanan. Looking for his teammate. Oy, that's 8 seconds violation. Bola rito ng Nicanor Ibuna. Gets the 3 short. Rebound by Parada. Pass to number 14. Out of bounds. A-ball.
Arby, kumuha ka ng bola layo. Roy!
Tinasa sa corner. Umatake. But there's a foul. Shooting on the line ng jersey number 10. Hindi ko mabasa. Canlas. First shot by jersey number 10. No good. Second shot is good by jersey number 10.
Tao!
34-18. Number 15, floater and 1. Basket count and 1 by jersey number 15. That is Infante. Infante shooting on the line for 3-point play. Sub, pumala dito. Dito lang, pupula. Up, sub, tawagin mo na. Cross. Sub, go, tawagin mo na. Tawag. Time remaining, 5 minutes and 29 seconds sa ating third quarter. Bola rito ng Kabayanan Integrated School. De La Torre. Pass to number 2. Uy, there's a foul. Sub. Number 30, that is sport personal foul. Warning.
Arby, bola!
By jersey number 30. Hindi pa rin siya pinakuha ni coach. Isa rin siya sa mga inaasahan para sa Nicanor. Okay, back to the ball game tayo. Let's go. De La Torre, wala.
Depensa! Okay, tao!
Nicanor Ibuna basketball. Oopsie, steal. Ayan na. Umatake, wala. Rebound ng Nicanor. Bounce pass. What a pass. Too strong. There's a foul. Sub. Jaden. Uy, too strong. Wala. Rebound ng Infante. Looking for his teammate. The number 16. Oh, number 6. And there's a foul. Number 13.
makakuha ng tagamit kita.
Steal by Infante. But there is a foul. Foul number 12. Wala. Wala pa rin. Ayun na si number 2. Number 2. Oy! That's a traveling violation. Good defense para sa Nicanor. Time out. Kabayanan Integrated School. Tingnan natin ang hadal ni Sir Lexter dito para sa Kabayanan. Fisher score 34 to 20.
Pasok na 5, pasok!
Okay, back to the ball game po tayo. Let's go! Nicanor Ibuna basketball. Ayun na si Infante. Basket. Number 3. Hoy. Merong foul. Foul number 15, Infante. Ilan na si Infante?
Ay, sigurado! Kebas, kayo ba? Ha?
Penalty tayo. Ay, wala pa pala. Penalty. Nicanor Ibuna under penalty situation. 2 shots para jersey number 3. Wala. That is De La Cruz. Second shot para kay De La Cruz. Wala. Rebound. Makukuha ng Nicanor. Pero out of bounds. Bola ng Kabayanan. Gets the shot back. 36 to 22. Ayan na si Infante. Pass number 10. Binigay. Uy, in and out. Offensive shot. Wala pa rin. Rebound by Pedragosa. Ayan na si Jaden. Uy, wala pa rin. Rebound by Infante. Ayan na. Nagmamadali. Number 8. Basket is good. Ayan na. Ang pressure defense ng Nicanor. Out of bounds. Nicanor Ibuna basketball. Bola rito ng Nicanor. Uy, walang tawag. O, yan na. But there's a foul. Number 2. Sub.
Number 2 yellow. How? Number 2 yellow.
Bola ng Nicanor.
Number 2 yellow.
Bola ng Nicanor.
Blue ball!
Blue ball. Foul number 2 para sa Kabayanan. Bola rito ng Nicanor. That is 13 foul. Oh, steal by number 15. Bad pass. Oy. Infante, sidestep. Bang! Ayan na, humahabol na. 10 na lang. Oy, stepping on the line. Last 33 seconds remaining. 10 lamang. Oy, magbas. Nagmamadali ang Nicanor dito. Bola ng Kabayanan. Jaden, atake. Kick out. Jump shot is good. Para kay De La Cruz. Ayan na ang Nicanor. Nagmamadali all the way in and out. Number 23. Yes, sir. Oh, sorry, that's number 29. Ayan na si Jaden. And that's the end of our third quarter. Fisher score 38-28 in favor of Kabayanan Integrated School. 10 na lang ang hinahabol ng Nicanor Ibuna. Okay, dito na tayo sa pinaka-exciting part ng game. Ang fourth and the final quarter. Tingnan natin kung makakahabol dito ang Nicanor Ibuna or lalaki pa ang kalamangan ng Kabayanan. Let's go! Bola rito ng Kabayanan. Number 29. Matake, and there's a foul. Number 24. Shooting on the line, jersey number 29, De La Torre para sa Kabayanan Integrated School. First shot, no good. Second shot para kay sa Kabayanan, no good. Bola ng Nicanor. Ayan na. Makuha. Out of bounds. Wala. Offensive rebound, number 29, no good. Makuha ng Kabayanan. Ay na si De La Torre. And there's a foul. Number 24. That is fourth personal foul. Warning, warning para kay jersey number 24 ng Nicanor Ibuna. Second shot is good. Pasok lang, pasok idol. Okay, 39-28. Lamang ng 11 ang Kabayanan Integrated School. Steal by Infante. Infante gets that three short. Substitution. Number 29, pass to number 35 to number 15. Looking for Simic. Oy, what a pass, what a kick out. 4 seconds to shoot. And that's a 3 seconds violation by jersey number 31. Bola ng Kabayanan. Good. Uy, what a move by De La Torre. Wait lang, bumaba na po. Opo. Dito. Basket. Oh, that's troubling. Sub. Go, sub. Pasok. Sub. Substitution.
Work. Easy pa rin.
Sa loob.
Nice one.
Basket by jersey number 2. Infante, tingay sa loob, using the glass, basket. Baba sa 15 ang kalamangan ng Kabayanan. Jaden. Kick ball. Bola dito ng Nicanor. Basta ba? Ayan na, nakalusot si Infante. That is our traveling. Time out daw po. Time out, Kabayanan. Official score 32-45. In favor pa rin sa mga naka-yellow shirt. Shout out. Okay, back to the ball game tayo. 45-32. Oh.
Hindi mo lang kung agad.
Pipindot lang naman ako doon eh. Saglit lang.
Tayo mag-ahit yan. Hindi mo lang kung agad.
Uy. Basket is good. Bad pass. Oh, wala pa. Sab, ikaw ba? Pagpunan nila, po pala. Pulang, po. De La Torre, basket. Ito nga, pag dead ball. Sub.
Nice one, nice one. Herb, sa'yo yung 15. Ha?
Take a shot. No good. Number 15 and 1 para kay Infante. Foul number 71. Okay, pasok, labas. Bonus shot para kay Infante for 3-point play. Time remaining 3 minutes and 3 seconds. Basket is good. 49-35. Lamang pa rin ang Kabayanan. Steal by Infante. But there's a foul. Oh, steal by number 10. Running shot, no good. Steal. And out of bounds. Get the shot, no good. Steal, number 31, wala pa rin. And there's a foul. Timeout. Nicanor. Tignan natin ang huddle ng Nicanor naman. Para sa timeout na ito. Time remaining po natin 2 minutes and 5 seconds para sa ating fourth and final quarter. Okay, back to the ball game. Shooting on the line, jersey number 29. No good. Second shot, no good. Rebound ng Kabayanan. De La Torre. Oopsie. There's a foul, number 30. Graduate. Graduate na po dito si number 30. Shooting on the line. Ay, wala pa. De La Torre. Wala. Rebound. Wala pa rin. Wala rito ng Kabayanan.
Depensa!
Number 8. Get the shot. No good. And out of bounds. Number 24. Yes, sir. That's a 8 seconds violation. Time remaining, last 56 seconds. Number 24, no good. Time out, Kabayanan. Time remaining, last 45 seconds para sa ating fourth and last quarter. Lamang pa rin tayo dito. Ang Kabayanan Integrated School. That's a traveling. Last 40 seconds. Jump shot, basket. Ayan na, babas 10. Oh, steal! Infante, wala! Rebound! Makuha ng Kabayanan. At naitawid ang bola. Paso de la Cruz. Binigay sa corner. Jam! Basket is good. Time remaining. Last 7 seconds. May natitira ba tayo? 7 seconds. Boy, steal. Ay na, fake. Using the board. Basket ba? Counted. And a basket count. Okay, our official score, 51-42. And a nice game para sa Nicanor Ibuna. And congratulations para sa Kabayanan. Magbabalik tayo para sa ating next game. Congratulations, Kabayanan Integrated School.